good morning. Extremely hot already, not even 9 a.m. Wow, it's cooking here, really hot. Now I'm not gonna do any work here this morning, late in the afternoon. This morning, first thing I'm gonna set up the top in the kitchen properly. Okay, to finish the painting around the door. Time, so hot. It's okay, Jem did her own little cold drink. I'll have a little cold chill wine, white. Some rain just started now. Just what the doctor ordered. I will fill up our tanks easily. Good, huh? Because it's a bit cool now, I'm gonna have a little coffee. Arabica. Thank you, Edna. That's the one you gave us. The doggy there, baby?
No, baby.
The doggy? Yeah? Down here? Oh, they're gone? Yeah, that rain was so refreshing. Yeah, ran out again. I was about to film this. Bathroom is ready to use, no problem. Except I'm waiting for the shower stopper here. I ordered through Lazada. Then once that in, we can use everything. Toilet is connected. The sink is okay, we can wash our hands, no problem. Toilet is fine, it's all going to the septic tank straight. I need to do the drainage for this, the sink and the shower. And I got my sister come here to check. You like it? Oh yeah, Bella likes it. Oh, beautiful. Yeah? Poo poo there. You poo poo after that, okay?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Okay. No lights. Okay. No, there's no water there, my love.
Yes.
Because the floor is not finished. Come in. Come in.
No.
I need to come back here and think about how we're going to do the drain. So I may be lucky I can get a pub to go through from there to there. Maybe, I hope so, I don't know. That'll be a bummer if I have to go around this thing here. Maybe it's not gonna fit. Now I can see now it's not gonna work, so I gotta go around. Probably come from this side of the piers. Alright, we'll do that. What a life. Yeah, I never thought those things will go so high. See, I can't use it like this. So I make one step backwards so you can see. I can't do that. So that's a bit of a problem. I wanted to put one for the shower there, but that thing's not sticking down enough. So I have to put some coupling, which I don't have. And I need to buy a couple more of those pipes. I don't want the bad quality, I want the good quality. So that's got to be there forever. See, this one's pretty old and it's only for agriculture, not... I mean, it should be okay, but it's bent and old, so I can use it for other things. So I need to buy a few coupling. I don't think I bought any. No, nothing. Okay. Friday, we are Monday. I can only go Friday to town and buy those coupling. I just want to make a quick drainage because the sink, we can use the sink, otherwise we got water going here. I don't want that. So just temporary. I'm gonna put something from there to here. This is no round, it's oval. This is temporary. Up in the recycling bin. This is beautiful for the plants. Yeah, I was hoping to do the drainage under the bathroom, but I'm short of a pipe at least. The other one I had is oval, it's deformed with the weather, so I can't use it. I'm stuck until Friday and we are only Monday, so I'm gonna have to leave that for another day. I just need a temporary drainage for the sink because we're going to be using the toilet anyway. And that's it. So tomorrow till Thursday I will do something else. I will see. I have plenty to do anyway. So after a lot of rain, the sun came up. Although we had a good rain this afternoon, it's still very, very hot. So we're going for a quick dip at the sea. Bella's so happy. Let's go. Let's go, my love.
It's 4 p.m. The sun's still hot.
Beautiful. That'll make a nice fence post. The ferry for Cebu is just up there. This is called Galas. Okay, let's go home. Have a bath. I'm gonna grab a few more snack. It's very small, but sometimes we stop here and grab a couple of snacks before going home. What's this, buko? What jam, but I don't know.
Huh?
How you drink this? Oh my God. Okay, I got it.
I'll come back.
Not bad. It's a buko. A bit sugary, but it's okay. What's that?
Pancake. Hot cake.
No bad, but that is healthy. Maybe sugary, but that's nice. Jem went back for more food. She's hungry.
Tempura. Kikya.
Bella likes it? There's a checkpoint coming up. I just realized there's already a queue of 500 meters of people who have no license and they just wait the police go away. And that's an indication that I would say 80% of people here have no driver license. Look at this. Wow. What do you do? See how many people there we went past? Hundreds. Maybe.
Our friends?
Our friend?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Policía Federal.
Hello, boss. No, our friend's not here.
I don't know what they're talking about.
No. Look at this. And of course there's a queue on the other side. Wow. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.